Okay guys, I just got my package from John Holland, who is in Valley City, Ohio. He rebuilds the stock type shock absorbers for the Model A's. He's got a great reputation, so I wanted to open those real quick, show you what they look like. Oh, they look pretty. All I did was I took off my 4 stock shocks and sent them to him. 2 of them were rebuildable, 2 of them were not. So he charges, I think it's like 80 bucks to repair, to rebuild the stock ones. And if they are not rebuildable, he has cores that you can buy. I think those are like 150, something like that. This was much cheaper having 4 of these rebuilt than buying 4 brand new ones. And I'm keeping 2 originals and 2 of his cores that are original type. So nothing is brand new, which I love. These are going to go back on. This is actually labeled right front, so he makes it pretty easy to put back on. I'm really excited to try these out. I would recommend looking him up and giving him a call. His number is pretty easily accessible in all the normal places. So once again, rebuilt stock type shocks from John Holland in Valley City, Ohio. I'm really happy. I put brand new front and rear leaf springs from asprings.com on this car. She's 31 Sedan, so she should ride just like the factory. I'm really excited. So there you go. I'll bolt them up tonight.